and we are 3 generations from the same family who have all been students of Don Bosco High School at Matunga.
This school is promoting all-round things, and that's why I decided that all my 3 sons should join Don Bosco High School.
My batch is the best batch from all 3.
At that time, Gujarati, Marathi were optional subjects. So we as Parsis had taken over Gujarati. That's how I remember. My wife had no problem because we as Don Bosco, it was a very, very good school.
Hi, I'm Parvez. I think it was great that I have been part of this esteemed institution. Started off in the junior KG and passed out in 1990 through SSC board.
Hi, I'm Varun, and I think my parents have made the right decision of putting me in the school. Well, our batch is the best.
I hope he puts his children in the same school as we were, because this is a very good school.
The 1980 batch. And it was great fun. I mean, this was pretty much the best school in a radius of maybe 5 or 10 kilometers, and we pretty much thought we were the best compared to every other school in Bombay. What the school gave me more than the education was the fact that we were we were from all strata of society, and it allowed a lot of us to be friends with people who otherwise we would not meet, right? So I'm a Gujarati, but in Don Bosco, we had Bengalis, obviously all the Catholics who would be there. We had Sindhis, smattering of Muslims, etc. And you then get to know everybody from different castes and creeds, as well as across the socio-economic strata, and that I think was really good.
I completely agree. Like my friend circle, my group had like one Sindhi, one South Indian, one Marwadi, and I was Gujarati. So like I got to meet people of all castes, religions. It's an honor, because then you come to know like everyone's background, everyone's what they do in their everyday life. Also, I've noticed this school grow from when I've been in junior KG to 10th standard. It's just grown.
We are the Chadda family, Moksh. My name is Ram. I came into the school in the late 60s, and I'll share with you something which a few know, not many. We were that batch which was moved from ISC to SSC. We came in white shirts and blue shorts, uniformly, all walked in, and we were treated as equals. I was fortunate to be included in probably the first mega production called Challenge of the Mountain. This was a play that was put up at the Shanmukhanand Hall. So it's been a great time. I love it, and I'd love to be back if I ever lived again through the first 14 years of my life to this very school. God bless you all.
I was a very nervous kid initially. I never spoke. I had not discovered my talents much. Don Bosco was where they told you that academics and sports and extracurriculars are equal.
Thank you, Don Bosco, for the wonderful moments of my life. Life is all about lame, the moments, and I have had such wonderful moments to cherish all my life. Thank you, Don Bosco, also for allowing Shaurya to be what he is today, allowing him to flourish in terms of education and flourish in terms of sports. The wonderful permission which we got to allow him to be a golfer is something which I think he will also cherish all his life. Thank you once again for everything. To my teachers, to the wonderful peons. I had George at that time. I don't know, we used to call him Georgie, Podgy, Pudding and Pie. I don't know whether he's still around or not. But George and the wonderful peons and the clerks, the school, everybody, thank you so much.
So, a lot of people to thank. First of all, I remember Daksha ma'am, our Hindi ma'am, and Ashwini ma'am, Paiva miss for maths, and she was our 8th A class teacher. And Lakshmi ma'am, again, 9th was one of the best years. 9th A, the class thing. And 10th, I think by far the best year of my life. Reshma ma'am was my class teacher, 10th B. And I remember Christopher, who used to be working in the primary section.
So what do I say? I think every
person that I probably came in touch with in Don Bosco has had an impact on me. Be it my first principal, Father Vincent Vaz, he and his book Modern Mathematics, I still can't forget that coffee brown cover. He was looking so regal with his gold-rimmed frame. I still have his face so clearly in front of me. After him, the saintly, godlike Father John Samala, who I bumped into very recently. He's still not changed a bit, still as mellow and the voice is soothing as ever. And finally, the person who probably had the biggest impact when I passed out, Father Adolfo Hurtado. What a man. I think we were very, very fortunate that we had the deadly duo, Father Adolf and Father Leslie Pereira as our vice principal.
I feel I'm at home.
Oh, it feels like home. So do you think it would have been better if Dad and Mom had put you in some other school?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Don Bosco provides the 360-degree character building, which is most essential. It is not about the marks, it's not about academic performance alone, which certainly is there in Don Bosco, but it's about the integral development of a human being that I would cherish Don Bosco always for. I shall, I think, eternally be grateful to my teachers, my principals, Father Bonnie here, who has left an indelible mark on my own being.
Hi, this is Ananth Narayan Mahadevan, and I'm so happy to be recording this video for the Don Bosco alumni. When one looks back at one's years in school, one remembers everything from the wonderful teachers to even the benches where we sat and learnt. My entire career to what was germinating at Don Bosco's, because even today when I'm part of the performing arts, whether it's film, theatre, television, as an actor, writer or director, I think it all started on that stage.
Hi, this is Manoj Shroff from the batch of 1987. I'm proud to be a Boscoite.
Hi, this is Kevin Gonzalez, batch of 2004. Bosco, 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 Don Bosco.
Why I like Don Bosco so much is the human factor. If I count the years of my experience and the people I met, I owe it to the fact that I passed out in '93. Had I not done that, my life would be a little different. Now I am a director of a radio station, and it is it's all thanks to this school that I got my education.
Hi, I'm Vernon Fernandez, class of 2002, captain of the school at that time.
I still remember Ambrose is the guy who stands outside or waits outside the principal's office, and every day without fail we would say something or the other. We'd be like, Ambrose, father kidhar hai? And he would be like, chalo idhar se, jao the father ko bula, jao. We would make him literally run behind us. And then there was Chinnappa, who we would always try and get like the exam paper out of, but which never happened. There was Mani and Christopher, from whom I learned how to operate a soundboard.
Father Bernard, he's really caring, loving. He is really good in maths and really sensitive. And we really like him a lot.
This one incident I remember is when I was in junior or senior KG, Father Eddie heard me sing a song at a singing competition, and he really liked it. And he wanted me to sing the song at the annual function. I started singing to it, and we started trying to practice and get better at it. Eventually it didn't work out. I felt so confident about doing something at 3 years of age that, okay, the principal of my school believed that I could do this when I was just in the junior KG, so there's no reason that I should be stopping myself or holding myself back anymore. So Father Ronnie would stand in front of the gate every morning when he was rector, and one fine day I just decided to stand with him and talk to him for a bit. And I just noticed that from 9 o'clock to 9:15, he knew each and every person by name, whoever came through the gate. And not just students, even some parents he would know and call them by their first name.
Father Crispino. He was the coolest cat around, man. And his golden advice to us was, if there is no logical end to something, then it's not logical. Definitely Miss Susan, because she taught me the difference between, literature and literature. Similarly, Ashwini ma'am, she taught me how to screenwrite. Like, I teach public speaking now at Wilson because of these guys. French, you had Miss Eugenia and Miss Christina. One's a hard taskmaster, one was fairly relaxed, but one was so informative and one was by the book.
She commanded respect, yeah.
Nowadays, if you notice, like everywhere when you go, morality is at a shortage, but we were actually inculcated a lot of good values.
We're tolerant.
Yeah, we were tolerant. We respected Father Crispino.
Who was...
He's the most iconic principal in Bombay.
He's left a legacy. The Bap, as we called him. Father Ronnie, who is no longer with us.
Father Ronnie, my God, what a gem of a person.
Father Jude.
Father Jude was amazing. Our relationship with the non-teaching staff, we used to interact with them during the annual day time, and we used to interact with them a lot.
Bosco, 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 Don Bosco! Bosco, 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 Don Bosco!
Parabalala bamba, parabalala bamba, se riesce sì una poca di grazia. Una poca di grazia per arrivare, arriva, 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 potissere, potissere, potissere. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Sing it with me! Ba, 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 ba. Bamba, parabalala bamba, parabalala bamba, segnete sì una poca di grazia, una poca di grazia, bari bari, arriva, arriva. With me, parabalala bamba, parabalala bamba, segnete sì una poca di grazia, una poca di grazia, bari bari, arriva, 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 potissere, potissere, potissere. Sing with me, ba ba bamba. Ba ba bamba, ba ba bamba, bamba. If you really want to know what I want in a guy, well, I'm looking for a dream on a mean machine, but I'll let it out. I want a devil in tin, title leather, and he's gonna be wild as the wind. And one fine night, I'll be holding on tight to a cool rider, a cool rider. If he's cool enough, he can ride me through and through. Whoa, if you care forever, then I'll wait.
How do you thank those helping hands that fed, cleaned, and made me a man? For running was never a crime to these wonderful people in our time. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Moksh Tata from the batch of 2015. Thank you. To whom do you owe your hard work, your reason for being in this institution and for helping us in totality, whether it being in sports or in transportation, as well as our non-teaching staff? Could you please share with us some of your finest moments?
We got news that Don Bosco is opening a new division. I think it was the F division at that time. And we got the elder son in Leicester. Okay, Leicester, the usual kid, naughty, more in sports, not so much in studies, etc. But he liked the atmosphere, and that's Don Bosco. Starting, I think, second week of November, right up till Jan, the involvement of the kids in everything, I think it's great education apart from just the curricula.
I am the privileged parent of Don Bosco High School, Matunga.
Greetings from the Don Bosco Alumni Matunga Unit. We are the Past Pupils Association of our alma mater, Don Bosco High School, Matunga. We are very proud of our school completing 75 years. In this celebration, we are all in with the school management, and we are in spreading the news and spreading the happiness all around.
I joined Don Bosco like 2004.
दिल्ली डिवीज़न के लिए DSO, MSA सभी में हम लोगों ने चैम्प ज़्यादा किया। 2016 में जो अभी नेशनल हो गया संतोष, उसमें 7 प्लेयर बॉस्को के थे।
Actually, I would like to thank Leslie. I was a player at that time. I used to play for Railways. So he introduced me to Don Bosco.
माझं नाव रोहन अशोक नागवेकर. मी 2012ला जॉईन झालो क्रिकेट कोच म्हणून, आणि तेव्हा फादर बॉस्को धोनी सर ने खूप सपोर्ट केला आम्हाला क्रिकेटसाठी, आणि खूप आम्ही चांगल्या ठिकाणी जाऊन पोहोचलो. Every coach feels that he makes the player better, but the one thing I came to know here that boys makes the coaches better.
Myself, Leslie Machado. I started in '92. I just came here as a trainer. Means Kinkre had brought me here, and he is my guru. Whatever I am today is because of Sir Kinkre.
So I came to meet Father Roy, and I asked him like, can I join as a coach? But he said that there is something better than that, and that's how I got this post of sports coordinator.
I, Mr. Anthony D'Souza, fondly known as Sir Tony. I joined this institution in the year 1992. It was a great honor and privilege to be a part of this prestigious institution, and I've thoroughly enjoyed my stay and work here, be it as a sports coordinator, as a librarian, or the various activities like the Christmas panorama, the sports festival, the Kala Utsav, or the annual day.
Hi, I'm Simon Pascal D'Souza from the 1982 batch. Proud to be a Bosco boy. Bosco, 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 Don Bosco.
I'm very happy about to join this family. I got an opportunity to join this family in 2004.
So 2 picnics which I missed out during Father Eddie's time. One was at Uttan. As soon as we landed there, we were greeted with a welcome drink called Pina Colada, which I'll never forget in all my life. And the other highlight was when we went for a picnic to Alibag overnight. We had a carnival. Each one had to carry a dress, and we had to dress up for the carnival. And Father Eddie was dressed up as King Momo.
So that was the big joy for me, because I like the Don Bosco as a saint, and I like the Don Bosco, and I got the chance to work with the Don Bosco Institute.
87 I joined the school. Father Adolf was the principal. Ms. Jamma Vasan, who have taught me also, and we have learned lots of things. All my children, I have to thank them.
So as a part of introducing our 75-year legacy, one of the most important things to all kids is food. And we would probably, be hungry for lunch if all the home-cooked food wasn't given to us. And now we realize the importance of it when we work. So these are the people who've been here as long as 50 years. So as many of
50 years.
फादर संभाला बहुत अच्छा है, हम लोग एंजॉयमेंट किया।
93 में मैं ज्वाइन हो गया, पर एडल्ट प्रिंसिपल था। 15 तारीख में जून 15 के ज्वाइन हो गया।
मैं 90 में मैं ज्वाइन किया। फादर एडल्फ प्रिंसिपल थे। फादर एडल्फ इज नाइस पर्सन।
God bless you.
Jungle Book, Akhil's dive with the sun. What a moment! That was a brilliant moment.
Movies and ads and everything after being in the annual day.
So the Dabbawalas weren't really Dabbawalas, they were like our messengers also. So I remember like I had a very bad habit of forgetting my books. So I used to call my put a 1 rupee coin in the PC. Mama, I forgot my Marathi composition book at home. Can you put it in the dabba? So she used to give it to the dabbawala. The dabbawala used to nicely come and give it to me. He was like a postman. He was like a dabbawala. He was everything. He was a lifeline. Otherwise, the Marathi teachers would take us left, right, and center if you don't submit that composition book on time.
The dabbas are never late.
The dabbas are never late.
No matter what, to 13 years, that I don't think there's a single day where the dabba was late or not delivered.
Non-teaching staff, everyone will say money, Christopher.
Christopher Columbus.
We've actually played basketball with Christopher once.
He's so tall.
He's a very good basketball player.
The privileged parents of Don Bosco High School, Matunga.
Good evening. My name is Ernest Godwin Miskit. I am associated with the school bus for Don Bosco High School from the past 18 years. We are running in the name of Zenith Travels, and we are proudly associated for many years over here. We take the children for their field trips, picnics, and other excursions of the school. So it's a proud to be a part of the management of the school also. Thank you, and Bosco, Don Bosco.
कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला रेशमाचा रेघानी लाल कण धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला Our legacies will guide us to find our way. That's what we call the Don Bosco way. I am Palanch Rao, the next generation. Stay with me. Bosco, 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 Don Bosco.